forever. Impunity will not be forever. That no one is above the law, no one is exempt from accountability. Kahit anong pagka-powerful mo, kahit anong pagka-impluensya ka sa mga tao, kahit anong yaman mo, pag nagkasala ka sa batas, lalo na sa mga tinatawag na mga heinous and horrific crimes like crimes against humanity, ay kailangan managot. No one is exempt from accountability. That, I think, is one of the biggest lessons for what happened, that we have a former president for the first time in our history, and even the entire Asia, no one else has been subjected to the jurisdiction of the ICC. He was investigated and is now arrested. And may lessons learned also sa atin.